Hey everybody, this is Vinny with ExcelDistanceCalculators.com, home of some of the most useful and versatile Excel tools out there. For the last 16 years, we've been building dozens and dozens of Excel tools, and during this time we've got about 7,400 customers that have purchased our tools, 7,400 happy customers that have been able to automate, to be able to remove human error, save time, save money, and complete some kind of process that previously was taking a long time to do it in a short time. So thank you for the emails that I get every week telling us how our tools have helped you and your business, and we appreciate it. We've kind of serviced and we've helped companies as big as large corporations, publicly traded companies, to small one-man, one-woman operator, and anywhere in between. Thank you for your emails. Thanks for your reviews in Google. We've got over 114, 115 reviews there of people telling us how much they've appreciated our tools. So thank you. Keep those coming. That really what helps me get going. Today, I want to present with you one of the tools, one of the more recent tools that we have, which is a address cleanser or an address checker in Excel. So what the tool will do is it will allow the user to take a list of incomplete addresses and be able to clean that up, to parse it, and make it in a way that it's usable for for different CRMs, for different tools, for mailing, etc. So what the tool will do is will standardize the list of addresses to their USPS counterpart. And keep in mind, this this tool is usable for addresses all over the globe. It does use Google Maps API, so they have to be physical addresses. And without further ado, let me show you how it works. Once you've downloaded the tool, there should be a download link in the description of this video. Feel free to open the tool. And what we do is we take our list of addresses. In this case, I've got about 8 or 9 of them. You can have as many as you need. You can have 8,000, 9,000 if you want to clean up and standardize your addresses. Once you do that, all you got to do is click on the Run button. And what will happen is that the tool will clean up those addresses. As you can see, some of these addresses, they're missing maybe zip code, etc. What the tool will do is will generate those addresses in 2 formats. One of it where the full address is in one cell, and we also break those down, or you can have your address, your city, your state, your zip code, and your country. And also it's generating the longitude and latitude for you out there. And it really should be as simple as that. Just copy, paste, click Run, and the tool automatically clean up those addresses that you can use for whatever you need. Thank you very much for watching this tool. One last thing I want to let you know is that my goal here is to provide you the best white glove service that you've ever received. If you've got any questions on this, feel free to give me a call. My phone number, my email are there. Yes, I will actually pick up the phone, answer any questions you've got. The biggest surprise that people have when they call me is that I actually pick up the phone. There is no answering service. There is no dial 3 for sales, dial 4 for whatever. I'll just pick up the call and talk to you like I'm doing to you now. So thank you very much. If you need any help, just give me a call, and I'd be more than happy to answer any questions for you. Thank you. Until next time.